Previously on the Woods channel.
Why not, come back with, my before haircut method? Now, basically a before haircut method is basically what wavers do to kind of get ready for the haircut. I gotta get ready for, this big chop, me and the fourth kin, this woofing challenge, again, got challenged. So, I kind of gotta prepare for my haircut too, because we doing self-cut. Alright, so we pretty much discussed every single step, I think, okay? So we did the before haircut method, and then we did the self-cut, the self-cut between me and the fourth kin, and then now it's kind of time for the after cut method. This method is important because, this kind of, it's like, how do you maximize that progress? Like, you just got it cut. Your hair is at its vulnerable length. So it's like, what do you do? So when it comes down to it, okay, let's be real. When it comes down to it, okay, there's two scenarios that happens when you do this after cut method. Because as you guys can see, it's not a fresh cut. I don't have a fresh cut. It doesn't look like how I did on the self-cut video. If you guys haven't seen that, you guys might want to go check that out because we dropping fire videos. Go check that out. Now, the reason is because in that video, I put product in my hair. Now, this is where scenario number one comes in, okay? If the barber already puts product in your hair, get just a good brush session. Just get a nice, good brush session. Get something going because you already have product in your hair, okay? Then there's scenario number two. If a barber doesn't put product in your hair, this is when you do this method, okay? This is when, like if you have no products in your hair, you just got your cut, you're like, yo, 360, what do I do, bro? This is what you do. You do step by step what I'm about to show you. Now, going back to scenario number one, okay? Now, we need to talk about scenario number one for one quick second. When it comes to barbers putting things in your hair, do not let barbers just put anything in your hair, okay? Look, when I was first starting out, I was like this shy little kid, and I was just like, what, the barber knows best type thing, yeah. No, okay? The waver knows what they want, okay? If you're a real waver, you know what you want. I used to have a barber. I ain't gonna put no names out there. I'm gonna keep that confidential, okay? Barber, if you're watching this video, you're lucky, okay? Because I could totally just rat you out right now. But I had a barber, okay? And this dude put Echo Gel in my hair every single time. I'd have to go wash my hair out. And if you're new to the wave game and you're like, oh yeah, just wash it out. You don't wash your hair after a fresh cut. That's why when you do the before haircut method, you wash your hair then. If you guys didn't know that, you lose progress if you wash it right after you get a haircut. Maybe your barber's not putting Echo Gel in your hair, okay? Maybe he's not putting Echo Gel in your hair, but you know what? Maybe he's just putting products in your hair that you don't know what it is. And maybe it kind of makes you feel a little bit uncomfortable because you don't know what it is, okay? If you're that type of person, just say, hey bro, I don't want no products that are I just don't want it. No, thanks though, I appreciate you. Real love, bro. You can do that, okay? If you just don't care, if you're just like, hey bro, do whatever, just don't let them put Echo Gel in your hair. So let's go ahead and let's just get into this method. I had to make sure this ain't dirty. All right, you've come to this point, you're like, all right, ready to do the, after cut method, let's get it, let's get with it. There's a few things that you're gonna need, okay? There's a few things that you're gonna need, and I would say how many things you're gonna need, but I honestly don't know. So I'm just gonna list them off right now. So the things that you're gonna need is you're going to need a soft brush. You're gonna need a soft brush. Look, I got my blonde bristles, and if you guys don't know, if you guys are new kind of here, I kind of dyed my hair with this product right here, okay? I dyed it with this product right here. I dyed my hair. Honestly, it doesn't look like I dyed my hair. Could you guys notice I dyed my hair? I mean, I don't know, okay? Every single time I brush my hair with my blonde bristle brushes, it turns blue. Let's just hope and pray that this brush does not turn blue, because I'm telling you guys, it's my favorite freaking brush. You gotta have your medium brush. You're gonna need a comb. Now, the reason why you're gonna need a comb, you're only gonna need a comb if your hair is laid. This is more for the straight hair wavers though. You guys already know how it is. Sometimes when we get our cut, our hair just doesn't seem like we have depth in our waves. This is gonna help a lot. It's gonna release a lot of that tension, help with the deafness in our waves and stuff like that. You guys get it. The next thing we're gonna need is our mirror. You can't have a brush session, a good intense brush session without your mirror, okay? You better have your mirror. You better have a mirror. Go to Sally's, go to your local beauty store. I don't know, just go get a mirror, okay? You can even go to the dollar store and go get a mirror. Just go get a mirror. God, dog, there ain't no excuses for that. The last thing you're gonna need is you're gonna need your favorite product, all right? Your favorite product that you feel like works best in your hair, that you feel like will look best in your hair. Every single time you put this product in, it looks good in your hair. I got a new product here. It's called Twin Moisturizing Cream. Product review coming soon. Y'all better stay tuned for this, because y'all, this has been my new favorite product, and you guys are gonna wanna stay tuned for that video. Now it is time to go ahead and get into this session.
Get paid, little shorty, get paid. 100,000 in the safe, couple thousand in the drain. Get paid, little shorty, get paid. No, I'm always on my grind, 24 for 7 days. Favorite color, money green.
By the way, use a rag, use something to take that product off your hands. You don't want that product getting all over your brushes and stuff like that. Now, the next thing you're gonna wanna do is go ahead and go get in a little comb session. Just something to perk up them waves just a little bit, especially like I said for the straight hair wavers out there.
Paper, I've been on my grind since I was in the 7th grade. Had my first kid, I was only 17. Always a provider for my pack like Wolverines. But you won't find me on the mountaintop. Need no calculator, I can wear it cause it kinda lie. Always on my top around that paper like a Michael Scott. Your boyfriend the Dwight, he want my spot, he always round a lot. Get paid, little shorty, get paid. 100,000 in the safe, couple thousand in the jeans. Get paid, little shorty, get paid. No, I'm always on my grind, 24 for 7 days. Get paid, little shorty, get paid. Get paid, yeah, get the money, yeah. Get paid, little shorty, get paid. Get paid, yeah, get the money, yeah. Yeah, I just stack it up and save. Never be a day I blow 100 for a chain. No. I drop 100 for a crane. Build a whole block and make that back 100 ways. No more frowning, now I smile a lot. Got these records brewing like some coffee where I ground a lot. Under this, no room left at the top. Bet I'll find a spot. Parallel the vision got me spinning like a tire shop. Get paid, little shorty, get paid. 100,000 in the safe, couple thousand in the jeans. Get paid, little shorty, get paid. No, I'm always on my grind, 24 for 7 days. Get paid, little shorty, get paid. Get paid, yeah, get the money, yeah. Get paid, little shorty, get paid. Get paid, yeah, get the money, yeah. Get paid, little shorty, get paid. 100,000 in the safe, couple thousand in the jeans. Get paid, little shorty, get paid. No, I'm always on my grind, 24 for 7 days. Get paid, little shorty, get paid. Get paid, yeah, get the money, yeah. Get paid, little shorty, get paid. Get paid, yeah, get the money, yeah.
Alright, so now that we went ahead and we got our waves perked up pretty nice, you know, we got the depth going in our waves now. I would go ahead and I start going in with my medium brush, get a nice good session in with my medium brush, and yeah, let's go ahead and get into it.
Came through dripping Aquafina, I'm sipping 15, kept a weapon on me. Blow make digits, I mind my business, stack chicken like what it's gon' be. Ay, crew in the cut, hey, you want us, red run when I tell a big piece. Love is love. Love is love. Adios. Bendo with the switch again. Boy, they living like he happening. But wait, they just give them estimates. Summer sauce for my Benjamins. I got what you need, baby. Skirt and Chevy make a scene, baby. LA BB been the team, baby. Vivid Papa work the team, baby. Look. So I'm finished, got a head full of niggas through the head, got a bag, got a head.
Now it's time to go in and go in with my soft brush. Now I know some of you guys are gonna be like, Yo, 360 Woods, back in your old videos, you used to be like, yo, you don't need no soft brush. Now, and it was because I was woofing so much. Now, when you're a beginner, you really got to just woof, especially the straight hair wavers. We try to get to our curling. We're trying to get our hair long enough to where it starts to ripple up and where it just starts to, you know, wave up, you know? So I wasn't really using soft brushes at the time. So that's why, let me clarify, that's why back then I said, you don't need a soft brush.
Hands in the business for my hand is a chicken talking monster for the business. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it on the plan with the menace. Let the bitch that they can.
I low-key feel like putting on your do-rag for a waver, it's just like you seal the deal. Like you put in all this work just to seal the deal. And you know what? That's why I like doing this. So like I said, let's go ahead and let's tie this boy up. Don't ever, okay? I've seen too many wavers on the street, all right, not pulling down this flap. You gotta pull down the flap, all right? That's how you get that maximum compression, okay? I see a lot of you guys ain't doing that. You just wearing it at that point. It ain't doing nothing for you, all right? But you guys already know how we do it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Like the video if you like the video. Because why don't you like the video if you like the video? Go ahead, drop a comment down below. Because you guys are going to leave your guys' comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe because as you guys just saw in this video, we dropping fire videos just like this one. But hey, it's 360 Woods. And I'm out. Whew! Brush didn't turn blue.